Falcon 9 liftoff, Starlink satellites. There you go. Get ready for the noise. The sound will be here shortly. So you won't be able to see the rocket much anymore, unless you got really good eyesight. But anyway, there it goes. Okay, it goes through that area up there where it interacts. The engine heat is so hot it interacts with the atmosphere and it makes a vapor trail. So all that's normal. So it's moving a little bit to the southeast, okay, but it is going over the ocean there, and it has to be at its particular time and place in space. Now, once it gets to the point where you can't really see the rocket anymore, look at the screen over there, the big screen. You'll be able to see the engines and the cameras on the rocket, and you'll be able to see how that core stage disconnects. Pretty cool, huh? Beautiful day. Now, again, I'm advising you, if you want to see the rocket land on the barge, you wait around for about another 6 minutes or so, and you'll see it on the screen there, and you'll see how that core stage separates. The core stage, the bottom part, separates about 2.5 minutes after launch, and then it starts making a U-turn and come back, and you'll see it on the screen right there. Remember, there's cameras on the rocket. You'll see it on the big screen down there. The little picture on the bottom there that's kind of orange, that's the one single upper stage engine. And that will carry the satellites further up into space. The other picture is how that core stage is separating and coming back to land on the barge.
Well, no, that's the other one in Texas. This one lands on the drone ship.
But it's still...
It flips those things down and sits down on its own.
It's got little legs.
Okay, you can see on the screen there, the bottom right picture, that's the upper stage engine. The picture above it, that is the core stage. It separates, it comes back. So you're going to be seeing that here in just a minute.
It's just dropping them in certain spots where it's needed, I guess. Because that's what space or who's Wi-Fi?
Starlink. It looks like it just ignited.
Look on the screen there. You'll see the burn backs. They have to burn the engines a little bit to slow the rocket down so it's land on the ocean-going barge. And that's what you see on the left side, the right side, that orange thing. That's the upper stage single engine.
Yeah.
That carries the satellites in the upper part of the rocket all the way up to the stage. But the left side of the screen, that's you're looking at how the rocket comes back. There are cameras on the rocket. So you'll be able to see it on the screen there.
17,000 miles an hour.
In just a minute or two, you're going to see the drone ship coming into view. It's got a big X on it. And it happens pretty quick.
That's kilometers.
It'll come through the clouds or whatever clouds are, but it'll come through and then you'll see the ship down below on the ocean. It's about the size of a football field, and it should make it perfect. They perfected this really well. Well, they do. Like anything, you got to try to make it work. But they perfected this particular Falcon 9 system to reland on the barge in the ocean, or over on Cape Canaveral. But this particular one is landing on the barge in the ocean. And that's the view on the left-hand side. You'll see it right there. So, let's keep watching that screen. It's coming on. Falcon 9 is the same basic height, but it is 3 Falcon 9s tied together. So it's like a triple rocket.
Wow.
There it goes. It's riding on the barge right there. See it? That's real time. Oh, wow. So that is the 20th mission for this rocket. They may bring it back. I'm sure they will. Refurbish it and let it go again. They have rockets they launched 23 of them.
This is the
There you go. There's the upper stage. That's the upper stage.